In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the iMessage is signed out error. If you're experiencing this issue, it can be particularly frustrating when trying to connect with friends, family or colleagues via iMessage. Don't worry though, I've got a few simple steps that you can follow to get things back on track. First, let's sign back into iMessage. Start by navigating to your settings menu. From there, scroll down and tap on apps, then select messages. Once you're in that menu, you'll notice an option that says use your Apple ID for iMessage. Go ahead and tap that. You'll then be prompted to sign in using your Apple ID and password, so make sure you have those credentials handy. Now, if you're already signed in, it might be beneficial to sign out and back in again. This can help refresh the connection and resolve any lingering issues. To do this, just tap on your Apple ID and select sign out. After that, you can immediately sign back in using your Apple ID credentials. The next thing to check is your internet connection. iMessage needs a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection to work properly. First, ensure that you are connected to the internet. A good test is to open your browser and visit a website to confirm connectivity. If you're having issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the problem. Sometimes one connection might be more stable than the other, causing iMessage to disconnect. Once your internet is sorted, we will move on to enabling iMessage again. Head back to your settings and tap on messages. You'll see an option to toggle iMessage on or off. Turn it off first, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. It's important to note that iMessage activation might take a minute, so be patient while your device sorts it out. Finally, let's make sure your iOS is up to date, as sometimes bugs in the current software could be causing the issue. For this, go to your settings, scroll down to General, and tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. Having the latest software often comes with bug fixes and improvements that could resolve the iMessage is signed out error. By following these steps, you should be able to get iMessage up and running smoothly again. Remember that keeping your device and apps updated is crucial in avoiding these kinds of issues in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you resolve your iMessage problem. If you found this useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.